Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Monday. It is day 105 of the Quarantine Gardeners, and we hope you had a great weekend.
If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our yard while under quarantine.
And thank you so much for being here and for watching today. We really appreciate it. And for those of you that are new, welcome, and we're happy you're here. And go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of our other videos.
So guys, today we're transplanting our Dracaenas out in front of our house. They've been in these same pots for a number of years. We think they're root bound. They're showing signs of being root bound in the pots where they look like they've grown out of their pots. They're the size. So we want to transplant them and get them into a bigger pot size.
Yeah, and they're really healthy. They're still wanting to grow and expand. And we knew this day was going to come where we'd need to upgrade the pot size. So we think we picked out some great pots we really like, and we're ready to do it. Here's one of our 2 Dracaenas that we're going to repot today. And you can see it's just so cool. It's just this beautiful green foliage, and it's very tropical looking.
It grows great at zone 8B, which is kind of weird because it is very palmish. It's very, like Allison said, tropical.
So what we're worried about is, as you can see, I mean, not only is the plant just huge, the pot's way down here, but you can see this browning of the leaves underneath. And there's a little bit of yellowing going on as well.
Yep. And the tips are dying back as well. All of the tips have this dieback going on. You can see it right here. And it's okay, but it's not too bad yet. This definitely could be a sign of needing to be transplanted because it's outgrown its pot and it's root bound.
And we're excited to get this process started.
Yeah, we're really excited. If you're not familiar with growing plants in pots, plants can outgrow their pots sometimes. And what happens is the roots start circling around the pot. And this can be bad because if the roots have nowhere new to go, if they don't have a larger area to keep growing into, they'll just circle and circle and circle, and then you have a mass of roots at the bottom or around the whole pot. And this can lead to a lot of different stress levels for that plant, including this tip dieback and a couple other things. So we want to keep these healthy. We're going to get them into new pots and new soil and give them more room to grow.
So here are our new pots. They're, as you can see, a lot taller and a lot wider than the current blue pots we have, which we love our blue pots, but we're just gonna repurpose those for something else. So we've already pre-filled these with rocks so we can set up our drainage inside. There are actually 4 drainage holes kind of in each quadrant here. So we just lined the rocks up because you wanna put rocks near the drainage holes.
You want to keep them as clear as you can, give them a lot of air and a lot of space for water to free flow out.
Supplies for today, we just need a couple trowels. We might need some hand shears. We're not sure what the roots are gonna look like when we take them out of the old pot. We've got our soil, and we're ready to go.
Yep, we're gonna use some just regular indoor-outdoor potting soil and get at it.
One last tip, if you notice, we are working on top of a tarp. The pot's so heavy, we don't wanna have to carry the pot back and forth to a different area for planting and then move it again. So we're coming right to the pot. We don't want to get soil all over our driveway, so we're just kind of making our own work area here. Okay, we got the first one repotted and a little tangle of roots to deal with.
Yeah, we had to do some root pruning. There was just a mass of roots at the bottom like we thought we'd see. And so we trimmed those off, and because we wanted to give the plant a fresh start with the roots to get into the pot, the new pot, and it's looking really good. Now, with transplanting anything, and especially with the root loss that the plant just saw, it's there's gonna be some transplant shock. So we will see that in the leaves a little bit in the next couple weeks, but that's to be expected. And you should expect that too whenever you transplant any potted plant into a new, bigger pot.
So that is one Dracaena repotted, one more to go. So we're gonna get started on the next one in just a sec here, and we're really happy with the way it looks. It's gonna like its new home.
Go ahead and leave your comments and questions below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know how we're doing, and subscribe to the channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And thank you so much for watching and for being here today. We'll be back tomorrow with another new project. So come on back, and we look forward to seeing you. Have a great day ahead, you guys.
Yep. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.